Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo TAB M8. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap plus in the bottom. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Gift Card and select shop you would like to add. Now enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. In the end, let's select Loyalty Card and again select Shop. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually, tap Add to Wallet and it's done. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.